So we are headed to look at a 1972 240Z orange that my father sold to the gentleman originally brand new. About 10 years ago, he passed away. His wife, I remember from when we sold it to him back in the day. And so we're going out to look at it. It doesn't run. She wasn't sure whether she wanted to sell it or not. We are going to bring it into our shop, analyze it, see what kind of condition it's in, and try to get this thing purchased. So it's kind of a cool story. It's a one-owner car from 1972 with originally 69,000 miles, I believe, is what it has on it. And hope we can get it bought.